How to add credits in Clipchamp. Want to add credit at the end of your video, whether it's your name, cast, crew, or music source? Let's do it in Clipchamp. Head to the text tab on the left, scroll down and pick something like scroll credits or use a blank title for costume credits. Drag it to the end of your timelines. Click the text block and enter your credit. You can also adjust the font color and size to match your video style. Stretch the clip to control how fast or slow it scrolls. Give it a final preview. Smooth, readable, professional. When you are happy, hit export and your credit rolls is complete. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.